Hello everyone, this is Jayan and today we are discussing about an iconic case study of Indian unicorn startup named Unacademy, which is also India's one of the biggest e-learning platforms, and also it has 19,000 teachers teaching on their platforms. So let us see how a small YouTube channel started in 2015 named Unacademy went on to become India's unicorn startup with a valuation of more than $500 million. Now let me take back you to 2015 when Unacademy was just an idea in the minds of Gaurav Munjal, who is currently the CEO and founder of Unacademy. It was the last day of the year, 31st December, when all of Gaurav's friends were busy partying and Gaurav was studying hard for his exams, and that's when he got idea to start Unacademy. He searched on the internet for his doubts but sadly didn't got answer. So he thought that there will be many students like me who will be struggling to get their answers for their doubts. So he started his own YouTube channel named Unacademy in the year 2015 and made a video related to coding because that's what he was most interested in. And after that was busy answering his exams. After his exams were over, after 2-3 months, he just opened his YouTube app and saw that his video went viral. It had more than 50,000 views and there were a lot of people commenting their doubts or the things which they didn't understood in that video. And that's when he started to create more videos to help more people. And remember, the idea behind making these videos and starting Unacademy was to help people and solving this huge problem of students of solving their doubts online. Before kickstarting Unacademy, Gaurav also started another startup named Floor, which was a real estate software. In 2015, he sold this startup for 50 lakh rupees to Common Floor and gave all of his attention to Unacademy by partnering with Roman Saini. Now, Roman Saini is yet another genius minds of India who went on to crack AIIMS exam at the age of 16, and also he cracked UPSC exam at a 23 age and went on to become a collector and was posted at Madhya Pradesh. He left his job to started Unacademy and he had a great belief in his startup idea that he had to leave his UPSC high paying government job. And mind you people, it is extremely hard to leave a high paying government job. So Gaurav Munjal, Roman Saini, and there was also a third guy named Himesh Singh. The trio went on to expand their project from a simple YouTube channel to a website wherein thousands of teachers and students could teach and learn simultaneously. Now, this is the year 2017 where companies started to face some issues. Their YouTube channel was really growing at a fast pace, but the problem was paying high salaries to the teachers teaching on their platforms because the teachers had cracked various competitive exams like JEE, NEET or UPSC, and if the company wanted these teachers to continue teaching on their platform, the company had to pay them high salaries. And to solve this issue and to cater all the problems, Unacademy finally decided to take funding. In 2017, they took funding of 11.5 million from Sequoia Capital. Also in 2019, they took funding of $50 million from Sequoia, SteadyView, Nexus and Bloom. And in the year 2020, they took their final round of funding of $110 million from investors like Facebook, Atlantica, Sequoia Capital and also Nexus and SteadyView. Now this is the year 2020 when Unacademy have loads of money. It has turned to a unicorn startup. Many of the huge investors like Facebook, Sequoia Capital have multiple investments in this startup. Now, if huge investors like Facebook and Sequoia Capital have invested in Unacademy, Unacademy must be having a strong business model on how they can take their company to the profitability. And that's where is the next segment of the video, how Unacademy makes money. Now, apart from the 6 YouTube channels accounting to around 10 million subscribers and with over 350 million views, the capital generated from these YouTube channels are not enough to run a $500 million valued company. Now, Unacademy's business works on a principle of freemium. The freemium business model is where company gives some of its content for free, whereas to access the high quality and all of their services, they expect a small subscription. Unacademy has two categories. One is recorded videos and other is live classes. Some of its live classes are available on their app and also on their YouTube channel for free. But to access the recorded classes, they charge you a small fee, and this is the main revenue source for the platform. In the year 2020, pandemic really helped the company to boost their revenue. When whole world was moving from offline to online, Unacademy saw a massive growth of 40% in their revenue, and also their business was growing at a rapid pace. You might have also seen Unacademy is really investing heavily in their marketing. You might have also seen Unacademy written on Indian cricket team jerseys. Also on YouTube and on television, they are really showing lot of advertisements, and online businesses have been benefited the most in this pandemic, and that's where we come to the sponsors of this video. I would like to thank InstaMojo for sponsoring this video, where you can move your offline business to online by creating beautiful marketplaces on the internet. With the InstaMojo store, you can build your own e-commerce store and build all your marketplaces, list your products and services within just few clicks. All the services will be provided to you at a handful price of 8 rupees per day. Also, InstaMojo has around 15 lakh plus happy customers who are setting up their marketplaces, selling their products online and generating huge revenues. Also, InstaMojo has their own Android app. You can go to Play Store and download it and manage all your marketplaces from your mobile phone. InstaMojo has this amazing feature of Do It For Me, where within just few clicks, InstaMojo will create a ready-made marketplace for you, where you just need to click and add your products and services with just a few clicks, and your site and your marketplace will be ready within just few minutes. Also, these are some of the beautiful marketplaces which are made on the platform of InstaMojo. So there is link in description. Don't forget to download InstaMojo app and also visit their website to create your free online e-stores. And now let us come back to future plans of Unacademy. Unacademy recently acquired 6 new startups to strengthen their position in the edtech sector, which are Coursevi UPSC, which is the test preparation platform. They also acquired PrepLadder, which is an online medical entrance exam preparation platform. The recent startup which they acquired was CodeChef, which is an online platform for learning algorithm and code. So Unacademy's future plan is very much clear. They are acquiring more and more startups like CodeChef and others. They are also expanding in other sectors by partnering with various other YouTubers and launching their own platform named Graphy. And also recently they have launched their hiring platform as well. So I think Unacademy has a great future, and that was the video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and also like this video, share it among all your friends who are interested in startups, who are invested in their education, and tell them about Unacademy and also my YouTube channel, where I post some educational content related to finance, case studies and tech related videos. Also I upload educational explanatory videos. So spread a word about my channel. I really work hard on making these videos for you guys. So thank you so much. I would like to thank InstaMojo for sponsoring this video. Don't forget to check out their amazing marketplaces. The links are in the description. And lastly, please subscribe to my channel for amazing videos on this channel. Lastly, there was the video. This is Jayan signing off. I will catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Thank you so much.